This is going to be the elevator at the Atlantic Ocean Palm Inn, I think is the name of this place, in Daytona Beach, Florida. There's a view of the motel there. GAL JetPlus fixtures. Here's your lantern. It's trying to shut on me. Did I break it? Oh, no. There we go. Kone sensors. Finally, nice to see something that's not modded. Alright, let's go up to 3. GAL JetPlus. Here we go. And there it goes, the light. Here's a view of the hotel. Yeah, very high up button there. Yeah, this one's actually original, yay! Here's a view of the cab. The cab appears to be pretty vintage looking too. There's your door equipment, which is a bit rusty, but it's original, yay! And it's in Florida. Still being inspected. Whoa. Drops like Tower of Terror kind of when it first starts up. Huh. You really feel this thing move. This thing's fun. Alright, let's go back up to 3. Let's listen to the motor. No leveling. For a second, when this thing stops on 3 and it's leveling, you think you're stuck when you're not. Let's go back down to 1. This time, whoa, this thing drops. Here's a close-up of your fixtures. GAL JetPlus fixtures. Back up to 3. Thing doesn't have bumpers anymore, but it used to. Again, there's your call station right there. Let's go to 2 first. Whoa! This thing is a thrill ride. Alright, here's your call station. Oh, single call station on 2, so this obviously has a non-selective, non-collective controller. Down to 1. An interesting alarm bell. It almost kind of looks like armor, but I don't think it is, because that's a GAL panel right there. Alright, I am getting out. Goes, and that's it.